Hey, let's go. Mexican food, Asian curries, delicious burgers. If you crave it, they've got it. Here at El Fat Cat Grill in Kennewick, robust flavors and mouthwatering dishes create long lines of hungry customers just waiting for something special. And today, I'm talking with the Fat Cat himself, owner Felix Sanchez.
So the name, it was really my sisters, you know, they were like, you know, I was always eating, you know, and cooking and everything, and they just called me, you know, Fat Cat. They were like, but you're not fat. But I can eat. So just like eat and cook and eat and cook, right, you know?
The key to the amazing flavors coming out of his kitchen? Surprise, surprise, it's the Washington-grown produce.
In Washington, we're known kind of for cherries and apples and everything, right? And I live kind of out in the country, so I'm surrounded by cherry farms, peach farms, apple. As soon as harvest comes, they're like, hey, let's go.
And the Fat Cat isn't kidding around either. Today, we've got a pulled pork sandwich topped with Washington apples and sweet cherries. Just look at this. Look at the cherries that we've got in that sandwich here.
Yes, sir. It's pork adobado, right? Okay. But I charred everything, so it gives it the charred flavor to it. So it's more like a pulled pork. And then we did a Bing cherry mole for it. And then a Granny Smith apple slaw.
Let's try this.
Let's dig in.
Let's see what this is all about, Felix.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
All right.
That pork is juicy as all get up. It's so good. Those cherries are perfect in this sandwich. Perfect pop of sweetness.
Sweetness, a little tartness in it. That's it.
Yeah. This is my half, but I'm gonna get another one. Let's see what the people of Kennewick think about cherries on a pulled pork sandwich.
That's super good. I'd order 2 of these if I could.
That's a perfect mix. You get like the meat flavor, and then you get like the sweetness of the fruit too.
It starts out sweet, you get the hit of the cherries, and then that pulled pork just comes in. Nice smoky flavor, that barbecue sauce and the coleslaw coming in.
It is very juicy. Probably the most juicy pulled pork I've had in my entire life.
In his entire life.
That's some good pulled pork right there.
Nice.
El Fat Cat has the best pulled pork ever.
Okay, you know what? You're the second person to tell me that today.
I gotta go in for another bite.
Do it. I don't want to stop you.
Hey, this is a half, huh?
That's right.
No, so I can get a full one.
Yes, you can.
All right.